In the previous video, we had modeled till here. Now we will complete the remaining work in this part. So let's start the tutorial. Let's unhide the speaker collection. Now simply select this one like me and then duplicate with Alt D in X-axis. Then move in the Z-axis. Now rotate this empty in Z-axis on 90 degree. Now adjust its position. Now go to side view and select it and duplicate with Alt D and place in the remaining places. After this, select all of them, then duplicate with Alt D in X-axis like this. Now select their empty and rotate in Z-axis by 180 degree, then reposition them. Same process for the back side as well. Also same process for the big one. After placing all speaker, check everything is okay or not. Now let's add cube and cover the area behind the screen by scaling and reposition it. Now add another cube for roof. Then move this in the Z-axis. Now let's scale this cube in X-axis and also in Y-axis. Now adjust edges perfectly with wall corners. Now select this face and subdivide it 10 times. Let's apply scale values from here. Now insert face by pressing I 2 times and leave around here. Now extrude these faces inside. Now let's separate this by pressing P and choose selection. Let's bring them down a bit. Now let's subdivide them by 10 times. But if you have low-end PC, then skip this process of subdivide. Now insert face like this and scale in the X-axis. Now extrude them inside. As you can see, our whole modeling part is completed. So let's hide these collection. Now we will make collection for the remaining objects. So select this railing and staircase lights. Now press M and make a new collection and hide. Let's select this one and press M and select screen collection. Now select these walls and make a new collection and hide. Now select doors and same process. Also for the roof. Let's turn off the cavity mode from here. Let's select the roof and apply scale values from here. Now add bevel modifier with arc meter. Now for the door, apply scale values and add bevel modifier. Also for walls, apply scale values and add bevel modifier. Let's join them and apply scale values and add bevel modifier. Now select the ground and do the same. Now we will add materials to object. So first select the ground and switch to material viewport. Let's select the ground and add new material. Change to shader editor. Now let's select principal shader and press Ctrl Shift T and import texture from the file I have provided you. Now let's split window like this and change this to 3D viewport. Let's increase X and Y scale to 10. And go to the edit mode and select all and press U and change to cube projection. Now select the wall and select principal shader and import texture from folder by pressing Ctrl Shift T. Now change UV to cube projection like we did it earlier. After this, change scale values of X and Y to 10. Now let's select the railing and add material with some metallic and roughness values. And also make it a little bit darker. Then shade smooth to both of these. Now for these ones we will increase the metallic and decrease the roughness value and make it darker. Now for the exit door, go to the edit mode and select all by pressing A and choose cube projection. For the exit door text, add emission material on it. For the roof, increase metallic and decrease the roughness and make it darker. For these grills, only darker and metallic, just a little bit roughness. Now unhide the screen collection and add same wall material to this one. Remaining 3 already have their materials. Now it's time to switch and render viewport. So as you can see, it's looking so much nice. Let's increase the emission amount of screen. Now select wall's emission material and change its color to blue and increase strength. Also for the stairs. And change exit door color to red. And that's how our whole modeling process is completed. Hope you have learned something new. Also, you can access this file freely from my Patreon page. Link is in the description. Stay tuned with me, subscribe for more, and goodbye guys.